Hey there, gardeners! Welcome to the Garden Profiler, where we explore simple ways to bring nature into your life, no matter how much space or sunlight you have. If you got a shady corner or a balcony and thought growing vegetables wasn't possible, then think again. Today, we're diving into 7 incredible vegetables that thrive in containers, even in the shade. Before we get started, here's a quick reminder. Most of our viewers haven't subscribed to the Garden Profiler yet. So if you're enjoying our gardening tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Because in that way, you'll never miss out on all the creative ways to transform your space into a thriving garden. Alright, let's jump in and talk about these shade-loving superstar veggies. Shade-loving vegetables are perfect for anyone who struggles with full sun or has limited space. These plants not only tolerate shaded environments, but actually thrive in cooler conditions. And when you plant them in containers, you can move them around to find the best light, maximize your space, and enjoy fresh harvest right from your patio or balcony. Plus, growing in containers mean you can control the soil quality, water levels, and even protect your plants from pests more easily. It's a win-win for every gardener. Now let's explore my top 7 shade-loving vegetables that's perfect for container gardens. Number 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is a superstar in shady spots. Varieties like butterhead, romaine, and loose leaf are quick to grow and perfect for continuous harvest. Just snip the outer leaves as needed and they'll keep producing. Plus, they thrive in cooler shaded conditions, making them a must-have for your container garden. Lettuce also works great in mixed containers alongside herbs or flowers, creating a stunning and practical display. The second vegetable on our list of shade-loving veggies for container gardens is spinach. Spinach loves partial shade and cooler temperatures. These conditions help prevent it from bolting. Also, it's incredibly nutrient dense and versatile. Use spinach fresh in salads or saute it or even blend it into your smoothies. Growing spinach in your container garden keeps it handy for a fresh, quick harvest. Number 3 on our list of shade-loving vegetables is kale. Kale is a nutrient-packed leafy green that thrives in partial shade. It's hardy, resilient, and can grow year-round in many climates. In containers, kale adds an ornamental touch with its ruffled leaves while producing continuous harvest. Number 4. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables, making them perfect for impatient gardeners. They tolerate partial shade well and can be ready to harvest in as little as 30 days. Try varieties like Cherry Belle or French Breakfast for vibrant, crunchy results. At number 5, we have Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a dual-purpose plant. It's both beautiful and delicious. The colorful stems make it a standout in any garden, and it thrives in shaded spots. Use the leaves fresh or cooked for a nutritious addition to meals. Number 6 on the list of shade-loving vegetables for containers is arugula. Arugula's peppery flavor makes it a favorite among salad greens. It's a cool season crop that grows quickly and flourishes in partial shade. Snip the tender leaves regularly to encourage new growth and keep the plant producing. Last on the list of shade-loving vegetables you can grow in containers is mustard greens. Mustard greens are another shade-tolerant leafy vegetable with a spicy kick. They're easy to grow and great for adding bold flavors to soups, sautés, or salads. In containers, they're compact and produce generously. Here are a few tips to ensure that your shade-loving vegetables for containers are a success. Number 1. Use containers with excellent drainage to avoid waterlogging. Number 2. Choose a high-quality potting mix with added compost or organic matter. Number 3. And rotate your containers to maximize indirect sunlight throughout the day. And number 4. Water consistently, but avoid overwatering, as shaded areas retain moisture longer. Even if your garden space is limited or shaded, these vegetables prove that you can grow a thriving garden. Containers make it easy to experiment with placement and light levels, ensuring your plants get just what they need. Whether it's a cozy balcony, a shaded patio, or under a canopy of a tree, there's always room for a little greenery. Thanks for joining me today. If you're excited to try growing these shade-loving vegetables in your container garden, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. And until next time, happy gardening.